Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You a real ass woman. I'm with the crown, yes. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed, yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone, me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie, and today's tutorial is going to be a slay comeback, okay? But yeah, it's going to be a fall look, so I'm sorry, Dals, if I say a slay comeback, but I'm coming back. So Dals, we are almost at 100K, like, we are almost there, like, I am so excited. Y'all just do not know, but I am in a rush, so if you want to see how cheap this look, then keep on watching. Hey Dals, welcome back to another video. So I'm excited because I haven't did a makeup tutorial in a long, well, I ain't gonna say a long time, probably like last week. I didn't take a week off, but it felt like I took a week off, but I didn't get any rest, honey. Layla is really busy, and I had to do makeup. And then plus the other days I was busy, so busy getting the nails done, the eyebrows done, the hair done, all that. So it was hectic, but I missed y'all. I've been wanting to do my makeup. Like, I missed my tutorials. Like, when you don't do it for a long time, it'd be like, I need to get back on here and do a tutorial. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Ebony as always. So we're going to do like this dramatic look. I know if you don't follow me on Snapchat, I was going to do a tutorial that day that I had that red lip, but today I'm going to do it right now. Let's get right into it. How have my Dals been? And my face, I have been giving my face some rest too. But the only thing is, it's like really deep crack. Do anybody get that? Brush for my brows. I'm using a MAC 2 something, but I know it's an angle brush, and I just digged into that dip brow. So I usually do my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna go back into those Morphe brushes today, like with the blending brushes, maybe to give y'all another in-depth tutorial. But I don't know if this is gonna be in-depth because it's just too long. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. So before I put this on my brows, I did go in with my Becca poreless primer just to lay down my hair so that my hairs won't go anywhere. Now, I don't know if y'all put like primer on your brows or that kind of primer, like something that's gonna keep the hair stiff, but let me know if y'all do, or y'all just go straight in. Good, like. So I started back talking only because I want to tell you guys I am using my MAC 212 brush. I think this is what it is. It's a flat definer brush. You can find these anywhere, but I like this one specifically. This is a MAC one, and I'm going with my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in C45. I was about to say NW. I don't know why. And then I'm just taking my Zoeva 142 concealer buffer brush to buff out that concealer layer. See, you don't want it to get dry and it's gonna leave a line. So make sure like you buff it ahead of time and don't let it dry. That's me. I did my base off camera, and what I went in with was my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream in the shade Warm. And then I set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You can get a coupon code or some money off using the code. I'll leave it right here. Let's take my Ambrosia Cosmetics Dust, Diamond Dust. And I'm going to put this on my brow bone. I'll take this Inksy Tinksy Morphe M213 brush. Instead of the Diamond Dust, I'm going to go in with this shade right here onto my brow bone area, because the Diamond Dust is looking more of something like glittery and like not that tone. But I'm going to put that first on this one just so it could be even. I take my M504 brush and then I'm going to go into that orange shade right here. And I put this right under the brow bone area. The cut crease, I like to drag, I'm going to the brow bone a little bit so that it can all transform nicely. To go outwards. That cut crease is going to be cut like that. So you want shadow on the outer part of your eye. The actual star of the show is the Morphe 35O palette. So if you don't have this palette, girl, what you waiting on? We'll put you on. Look at these colors. These colors are way pigmented than the first 35O palette. So this is 3502. I don't think I said that. But these colors are way pigmented than the original one. Like, it's crazy. So the second brush that I want to take is, so these are all blended brushes. I love blending brushes, like I really love it. So the first brush I want to take is my Morphe 441. And me and Larry are going to a haunted house today. I'm not wearing a costume, but this is Halloween weekend. I haven't been putting out a lot of Halloween stuff, but that's fine. At least I got one out. Let me blend these colors. I don't know if you saw my look where I did that smoky eye. I didn't do a Cutcrease. It wasn't a Cutcrease, but it was a smoky eye. I used this palette, and these colors was bomb. This color is called a Blaze, and it looks like this shade. Oh, that's a perfect transition color. Oh, honey, honey, please let me be great. Okay, so always take that shadow outward. Always take it outward, because like I said, look how pigmented that is. Like, Morphe, when you became this pigmented, now you got my coochie wet. No. Let me stop. And with the shade that you used before, just to blend out that shade that you secondly put down. But you can use the color that's on your brush. I pick up more color and then sometimes I just use what's left on the brush. It all depends. But you see how I blend out those edges? Like, look at that. Second brush I'm going to go in with is a more like dense brush, but kind of pointed. No, I want to go in with this one. I think I'm going to go in with this one. The Morphe 513 brush is the one I'm going to go in with. Grab Fire, which is this one. Oh my God. Child, they gonna need a fire messing with me. No. Let me quit. So yeah, I want this to be dense. So I'm gonna widen that crease area with this. Ayla. fan right now. I'm going to take my Morphe M506. This is like a precise brush. And I want to go into that black in the 3502 palette. And it's called Wiz. And I'm just going to take that and put it right in that crease. Define it. Try to go up a little bit more because you want to see that black when you cut the crease. You don't want to put it in the crease. And then when you cut the crease, you ain't going to see the black. So you want to go up a little bit more with this color. Ooh, good. Ooh. Wait, really? Why you don't put nothing on? So now what I'm doing is trying to blend that black, the edges of the black out before I put that red back down. No, we cut it, y'all. You right here? No, you're not. Hi, mommy. It's about to be phenomenal when I cut this crease. Oh, it's about to be so clean.
It's not finna be phenomenal. It's finna be great-tastic. You see, I said 2 words: great and tastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
Like that.
Like that.
That cut crease finna be
like that. I think I'm gonna take this shade first, this one, and then this one. I don't know, but I'm putting glitter on top, so I might take the lighter shade. So I'm gonna take this light shade first. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in Noir. I told y'all I was trying to make a short wing line, but you get a mind of its own. Glitter, we're going to use Angel CumberBatch glitter. This doesn't have a name, but it's like a gold glitter. We're going to use Ambrosia Cosmetics red glitter and orange. Use this I Envy Super Strong Hold glitter glue. The foundation that I added today was the Born This Way foundation in the shade Mahogany. This one is too light, and then I added NW50 MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I combined these together. This is like kind of like the perfect shade for me, or maybe a little bit too dark. So I just added both of these shades together. Tell me what you think about this foundation color. Do you like it or no? So then I went in with my Cat Von D Like a Tattoo concealer and Creme. Well, it's a cream concealer, but it's in the shade Warm. I'm sorry. And I added that right there. Now I'm about to add Blackup Cosmetics stick double duo, the 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 double contour stick. So you get your highlight shade and you get your contour shade. But I'm going to just use the contour shade, and I think I'm gonna use the darkest one because I want it a little bit dramatic, like I said, this dramatic look. They sent these over to me. They sent 2 contour sticks and then 2 palettes, which are unbelievably pigmented. Like those, so I'm gonna, what is this? I think it's in the shade 05. Yeah, this is 05. And so to blend out this contour, I'm going to take my Morphe E8 brush. Went ahead and set my whole face off camera, so I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator and Beauty Bakerie Glazed highlighter. Blush, I'm going to use my Femme blush, the shade Russet, on a Morphe M530 brush, if you have these, or if you are one. So I'm just taking my Buxom eyeliner, and I'm just putting this in my waterline. Okay, y'all, now I'm about to add black in there. The brush that I'm taking out is a Sigma E36. My lip combo, y'all. I'm gonna first start off with Blood Milk by Kat Von D. What you're gonna take is this color, which is American Doll. And you're gonna fill in the around it. What am I saying? This Anastasia Beverly Hills Neon Coral, and I'm gonna put that right in the center. I do that, I'm gonna take Deep Red by NYX and kind of blend this out really quick. Blend out the edges. I'm going to set my face down, and I'm going to use the Rose Gold Setting Spray by Beno Brushes. This is the final look, and I'll be back when I forgot to do my eyebrows. I was doing it on camera, but I'll be back after I do my hair and put on my clothes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and also share this video. If you thought this look was cute, comment in the comment section below. Oh, that's a cute girl. But anyways, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Also follow me on social media sites like Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And until then, I'll see you guys on Mondays and Thursdays.